Hey everybody, we're gonna kick it off this week, 3-day week, which means got quite a bit of stuff to cover to get it done. I've got two videos, lecture videos, section 3, module 3, plasma videos. We've got a little bit of review to do there. That's the final part. Then we'll post up some study guides and some other coursework to do. Get all that done, and then we'll focus on our performance reviews and on-site testing the following week, and we'll wind it up. Probably going to be doing that on Wednesday and Thursday next week. There's a good chance Friday that Friday I may be out, so we won't have an opportunity to do testing Friday, a week from Friday. So not this week, but next week. So good luck, and please do your Schoology in order. Strive to get the green check mark. And if you need anything, let me know. Shoot me a message in Schoology is the best, fastest way to get in touch with me regarding this work. Thanks.